morning, gentlemen. This is Harish Babu Bachna, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Engineering. In the transmission system, we are going to discuss different topics. In the automotive transmission system, we know how a power is going to be produced. The engine is a device which can produce the power, and after getting the power, how it is transferring one place to other place. These things we are going to discuss in our talk.
Discuss the different four-wheel drive layouts in brief. We know that on the basis of engine placement and driving wheels, an automobile can be of two types: two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Now let's discuss four-wheel drive in detail. In four-wheel drive vehicles, the power from engine gets transmitted to all four wheels, which act as the driving wheels. Now, four-wheel drive vehicles can be further classified as part-time four-wheel drive, full-time four-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive. Let's discuss each in brief. Part-time four-wheel drive. In such vehicles, the engine is located longitudinally in front, followed by a transmission system and a transfer case. The power from the engine goes through the transmission system into the transfer case. From there, the power gets transmitted to both front and rear propeller shafts, which then transmit this power to the wheels through the axle. Here, the transfer case is responsible for two functions. It's responsible for switching between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, thus making the vehicle as part-time four-wheel drive. While in two-wheel drive, the power is transmitted only to the rear axle. Also, it is responsible for switching between low gear and high gear according to the off-road and on-road driving respectively. Full-time four-wheel drive. These vehicles are very similar to the part-time four-wheel drive vehicles. The only difference is that in such vehicles, the transfer case is only responsible for switching between low and high gears according to driving conditions. No provisions are provided for switching between two- and four-wheel drive, thus making the vehicle as full-time four-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. In such vehicles, the engine is placed transversely in front, with a transaxle which provides power to the front wheels. A bevel gear mechanism is attached to the front axle differential for transmitting the power to the rear axle through a propeller shaft. An additional differential is also provided on the propeller shaft. This allows the front wheels to rotate at faster speed than rear wheels during turning. Here, the power from the engine gets transmitted through the transmission system to the front axle. From there, the power is transmitted to the front wheels, as well as the rear axle. Here, no transfer case is used and no provisions are made for switching between high and low gear. In some automobiles, an improved version of all-wheel drive is used, known as automatic all-wheel drive. In such vehicles, under normal conditions, only rear wheels act as the driving wheels. But if the rear wheels are not able to provide enough traction, such as if they are stuck in a slippery surface like snow or mud, then the power is electronically transmitted to the front wheel, which pulls the vehicle out of the slippery surface. Now let's summarize the different four-wheel drives as